shadows of my universe, and it will glow like 1,000 stars, so bright across the clouds above. But I will try not to hide from what's beyond the moonlit sky. Tonight I should fly, but not too high, but not too high, but not too high. Day by day, the ocean sings its lullaby, still some song on my fingertips, but all the tears are washed away, just day by day. From time to time, some waves might reach a distant shore, gently sway just on their way, but sometimes scattered by a violent storm. That's when I try to look behind the moonlit sky. Then I fly, maybe too high. Day by day, the ocean sings its lullaby, still some song on my fingertips, but all the tears are washed away, just day by day. Day by day, the ocean sings its lullaby, still some salt on my fingertips, but all the tears are washed away, just day by day.